Hey guys, I'm here for the local fruit haul. Yeah, in Immokalee picking up some fruit. I'll show you what we're gonna get today. Awesome. So we got some nice grapefruits.
Okay.
And some Hamlin oranges. First of the season here in Florida. Amazing. Not even November. Awesome.
Okay, this is make your juice first with this one.
Here,
And
put
my-
it in.
And my man Leo threw the last box in for free. He's the best. Leo, how are the watermelons?
I got good ones. I got with seeds and I got seedless.
You got seedless and
With
this,
and without.
but I mean, are they pretty fresh?
I got this size. This one. This one is the best I got. This
That
one is
one
the
there?
best one.
Yeah, yeah.
Seedless.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But you like it with seed, right?
Well, whatever. I like them both, but okay, good.
You all the time come with me and give me things. I give you for $5. I'm selling for $7 one of this one, big one.
I'll take two.
Okay, let me give you the best one I got.
$5. Can't beat it.
But you want the watermelon in here. But both of them?
One and
One and one.
That is
I
heavy.
got my helpers. All right.
Wow, these are heavy.
Big one.
Yeah.
Good one.
I got it.
You got it?